What's up, guys? It's your boy Mark back with another video. In this video, I will be going over how you can get access for up to 200K, all right, in trading capital. If you're new to this channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Also, click the notification bell so you can be the first to know once I upload videos on how you can make some daily cash. All right, guys, as you can see, all right, Vision Forex. We got some merch in. So what I'm about to do is show you guys where you can get this capital and what you got to do to get it. All right. So what we're going to do is head over here to Funding Talent. All right. I know if you follow me on Instagram, guys, you see me post my Funding Talent results over and over and over. All right. That's because I am a part of Funding Talent. You know what I'm saying? Just like if you were part of FTMO, you would be showing your FTMO results. All right, of course, I got my own lives and all that. We're going to get into all of that, guys, in this video. But Funding Talent is where you can go, all right, to get access to these funds. And they tell you how it works. One, you sign up, all right, depending on what type of account you want to get. All right, they got multiple accounts. All right, depending on what type of account you want to get, they got multiple accounts. All right. You start trading, then you start getting paid. It's really that simple if you know what you're doing, all right? But it is not this simple. What I want to say is, all right, let's go over some more things right quick. All right, guys, this is the website. Like I say, there are multiple, all right, there are multiple accounts that you can have access to. As you can see here, you got the 25K, the 50K, 100K, 200K, even up to 300K, guys. Depending on what you need, all right, you can come here and get it. Most people go with the 25K, all right, because the classic model is only $155. The flex, the aggressive model is only $165, and the challenge, of course, is only $175. So to me, out of these three, if you want to get funded faster, I would most definitely go with the challenge because you only have to pass 2 phases. You got to make $2,000 the first phase and then $1,000 the second phase, and then you're funded. All right, you have $25,000 to trade. Versus the flex model. All right, now with the flex model, you will only have $3,700 and you only have $3,750 to trade. All right, so you see the difference with the aggressive model. Why it's like that is because you will also have a demo account paying you every 2 weeks. All right. So you, in the long run, the flex aggressive model, you will have more capital, all right, in the long run than you would the challenge, because the challenge account size don't change unless you add profit to it. All right. No other like demo or nothing else to go with it. But when you with the aggressive model, your demo account is paying you every 2 weeks, all right, into your live account, all right, which is your elite account. Now the classic model, all right, you're getting paid every 2 weeks to your PayPal, Bitcoin, or bank transfer, however you decide to get paid. But the thing is, it's only 10%. That's cool. So if you made $1,000 for that week, you'll only get paid $100. You know what I'm saying? So you actually have to go extra hard, make like $10,000, which is pretty easy. You know what I'm saying? You can make $10,000, $20,000 in order just to get $1,000 or $2,000 every 2 weeks. But the thing is, with the classic model, all right, they have like a consistency rule. You get what I'm saying? Like, you trade your own style consistently. Like, say you got a style, you have to do it consistently. All right, you can't try to put a big trade, all right, with a big lot one day, make $30,000, and then on the next day scalping it down. You can't do that. All right, you have to do basically using the same lots, the same trade. You know, you basically gotta keep a consistency in your trading in order to actually get paid. Now, like I say, that's the rules for all of them. All right. Of course, the price is gonna change. The 50K, they don't actually have a challenge. The 100K, they do have a challenge. It's $620, which is cool as well. All right. Same way, guys. Same way you would do this 25K account. It's the same way you do the 50K, 100K account. Challenge is 2 phases. All right, you don't have to do you don't have to make a certain amount like the aggressive model and the classic model to actually have access, which would be less. All right, you will have less, all right, in your account if you just doing the bare minimum. All right, so with a 100K account, total $15,000 in profit. So in this case, you will only have $15,000 in your elite account. But if you did the challenge and you beat the challenge, you will actually have access to 100K. All right, so it's totally up to you guys on what you decide to do, like what you like. But just know that you can come to this website and get a bigger account. All right, have more, have access to more capital. All right, so think about it. If you are a trader and you have the skills, you have the, you feel like you got your consistent strategy, a consistent plan, but you don't have the capital to trade how you want to trade aggressively, or you just don't want to keep taking losses on your own account, then guys, you can come get a way bigger account, and the losses that you're taking on your, let's say, because most people try to flip $100, $200, $300, $400, $500, even $1,000 accounts is cool, but when you in like the hundreds, the 200s, and 300s, you got to be real precise with your entries. You got to be real precise with taking profit. You got to know what you're doing in order to grow that account. All right, but that same $165 that you was going to put, all right, that same $175 that you was going to put in the market, you can put it on the challenge. All right, you can put it on the challenge, test out your strategy, test out your skills, and actually get $25,000 to trade and withdraw every month. All right, it used to be every 2 weeks. Fun and Talent did some updates. All right, so they only paying out once a month. To me personally, I enjoyed the every 2 weeks, but in reality, they giving you more time to make more capital. All right, if you really know how to trade, then that move didn't affect you at all, because at the end of the day, I can make way more in a month, you get what I'm saying, than I can in 2 weeks. So most people felt the pressure of, I gotta make this, so I can get a payout on the first. All right, so I can get a payout on the 15th. Now it's just 30 days after your first trade. All right, you will get paid. So me personally, like I say, man, I enjoy Fun and Talent. They have some server issues here and there, but they do their best to try to like fix it right away. But I still don't know no other prop firm better than Fun and Talent. All right, I be looking because I see a lot of people talking about different prop firms, talking about this and that. I just still, when I look at the numbers, guys, it just don't add up, guys. You keep 80% of the profit if you're doing the challenge, and 90% if you are doing the flex aggressive model. Guys, I have the 200K aggressive model. All right, I paid $1,300 for this account. Get 90% payout. All right, 20% of profits added to my bi-weekly payout. So like I said, I'm more aggressive. All right, I use big lot sizes. I hold my trades. Some days, you know what I'm saying, I might want to scalp. Like, I don't want to be on like a strict consistency rule, because like I say, guys, I get aggressive. You know what I'm saying? If you on my Instagram, you'll see that I get aggressive. 20K a day, 40K weeks, 60K weeks. You know what I'm saying? Like, at the end of the day, this right here, I love the 200K. All right, so if you ever get the capital to get a 200K account, guys, you will be grateful. All right, even a 100K account. Now, why I say that is because you got bigger drawdown. All right, with 200K, I got $20,000 that I can potentially I got $20,000 that I can lose every single day. Now, I can't hit $20,000, of course, or go over it, but I have that space. All right, up to $19,999 a day. All right, to not hit that target, and I will still be able to trade the account and have the account. All right, versus the 25K account where I only have $1,250 a day drawdown, which is kind of tedious, but if you know how to trade, you know what I'm saying, that's cool. You can still run up a bag, all right? You just got to be super duper sharp in your entries. 2,500 drawdown overall. A lot of people hit this, right? We're going to talk about why a lot of people don't get funded. There's a lot of people that don't believe in funded accounts because they either don't know how to trade, all right? They over leveraging, over trading, and they just abusing the account when you should just be growing the account. You know what I'm saying? Once you learn how to trade, you can grow any account, guys. I done turned $100 into $3,000 before in one week, not even making it to Friday. I done turned $50 into $1,000. You know what I'm saying? I done did some of the craziest little challenges that I never got to record because I just do them for myself. All right. But at the end of the day, you can grow any account once you have the knowledge and the tools and the resources, not over leverage and not over trade. You get what I'm saying? Over leveraging kills a lot of people in these challenges. And they want to blame the funding company or, blame anything other than their self and their skills. Once you tighten up on your skills, guys, you can get funded. You know what I'm saying? It's not hard to get funded at all. And I bet most people think my results be fake and this and the third, guys. I really know how to trade. You get what I'm saying? I know how to trade, and I have a large account that, I can trade off of. I also did the 25K challenge, all right? Easy money. And I only did that because I know what it takes to beat the phases, all right? And then I know what it takes to just grow a $25,000 account. I can turn a $25,000 account into $40,000 a month, so I can easily withdraw $20,000 from Funding Talent. You get what I'm saying? You just gotta know what you're doing. And I always get the question a lot: why don't you put $30,000 into the market, guys? Think about this: when you start in a business, all right, are you gonna take your full investment, 100K, and just put it in the business, not knowing if it's gonna work or fail? No, what you're gonna do? You're gonna go to the bank, you're gonna get a loan, and you're gonna use that money to start your business. You get what I'm saying? So now you still got your 100K, just in case this 100K slacking a little bit. You get what I'm saying? You can put more money in with it. That's the same thing with Funding Talent. All right, that's the same thing with funding accounts. Why would I put all or majority of my hard-earned money into the market when I can go here and get funded $200,000 up front? You get what I'm saying? To trade and to prove myself as a trader and use that capital and get paid every month. A lot of traders don't reach. That's why I feel like a lot of traders don't reach their peak as they should, because they don't actually have the capital, because they still working a 9-to-5 job. You get what I'm saying? They don't know how to trade that good, so they just losing money over and over. But once you get a larger account, you got time and room to mess up. You get what I'm saying? You got room for error. Test things out. Use bigger lot sizes so you can, basically believe in yourself way more than you do trading that small live account. All right. So that's pretty much where is where you can go, guys, to come get your bread. Simple. And I'm not promoting this because I can't even get an affiliate link with them. I'm just letting you guys know what I do. All right. A lot of people keep asking me, how you making 20K a day? I'm not putting my money into the market. My regular accounts, I'm making anywhere from $1,000 a week. All right. That's what I got planned for my personal, trading account. Guys, I got a Discord group available, cash out indicator available. If you like this type of content, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget this video a thumbs up. Instagram will be in the description, guys. Other than that, I'm out.